Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve linear equation related to distance, rate, and time word problem. So here, today's motive is solve distance problem by creating and solving a linear equation. An equation of linear equations can be found in distance problem. When we solving distance problem, we will use the relationship rate multiply times rate multiply times equal distance. Okay, so when you multiply this column and this column, you will get this third column. Okay, and here maybe person 1, person 2. So let's start. Here is the question. Two joggers start from opposite ends of an 8-mile course running towards each other. One jogger is running at the rate of 4 miles per hour and the other is running at a rate of 6 miles per hour. After how long will the joggers meet? So always I am saying word problem read one, two, three times. Okay. So here is the jogger one and actually two joggers. So jogger one and jogger two. So here we can fill in person one, joggers one and joggers two. Okay, so here is the table. Here rate, time, distance in column and in row, jogger 1 and jogger 2. So here says, shall we read again? Two joggers start from opposite ends of an 8 miles course running towards each other. It means here this is jogger 1 and here jogger 2. They are coming here. Okay, each other. One jogger is running at a rate of 4 miles per hour. Its speed is rate is 4 miles per hour. So jogger 1 4 miles per hour and the other is running at a rate of 6 miles per hour. So this speed his speed is 6 mile per hour. Okay, how long after how long will the joggers meet? So we don't know time. Okay, let t. And do you know rate multiply times equal distance? Okay, so when we multiply these two columns, we get this third column. So our distance will be 4t and this is 6t. Okay, now again read. Two joggers start from opposite ends of an 8-mile course running towards each other. Means here total distance is 8 miles per hour. So 4t plus 6t equal 8. Total distance. He covered 4t and he covered 6t, so total 8 miles. Okay, so this is 10t equal 8. Okay, this we get this linear equation and we can solve very easily, right? Now we can find out t value. So 8 upon 10 and we can simplify this. So 8 and 10 we can divide by 2. So this is 4 upon 5. This is in hour. Okay, because this is miles per hour. So here we got this 4 hour. Can we change this into minutes? So 1 hour equals 60 minute. Okay, so this is 5 times 12, 60 and 4 times 12, 48 minute. Okay, This is our answer, 48 minute. This is t value. Okay, so after how long will the joggers meet? 48 minute, after 48 minute, and this is our answer. Okay, we will do more this type of questions related to distance, word problems, linear equation. So stay with me, and if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.